Working on a 2007 Saturn Vue, and today I'm going to be replacing the battery and doing a oil change. This is the car my daughter drives, and the battery's been dying every now and then, so I just want to go ahead and replace it. The car currently has 157,911 miles on it. And the first thing I'm going to do is start draining the oil. This car was originally a one family-owned vehicle before I got it for my daughter. And she's had it since she was 17, I believe. The car's been always ran really good. 2.2 engines run forever. And the drain plug takes a 15 millimeter. Alright, reinstall the drain plug. You do not have to tighten these up crazy tight. You just give it a nice little snug, because it's an aluminum drain pan and you definitely don't want to strip it out. I always use the STP high mileage 5 W30 on this car. And the oil filter housing lid takes a 1 1/4 inch specialty low profile socket. All right, then you want to remove the extension before you go too far out, otherwise it'll kind of block itself in there. Okay, then I use for the new oil filter, I use the STP S9018R oil filter. And one of the things I love about these is they come with a new gasket, a new O-ring for the oil filter lid. And just remove the old. You do not have to replace the O-rings around the oil filler cap every single time, but because it comes with a new one, you might as well replace it. And there's a little divot in the threads where you can get a pick down there and pull it off. Put a little oil around the new O-ring, just help it slip on and get a good seal. SCP high mileage 5W30 oil. I'm gonna keep this engine running pretty much forever. I've always liked STP oil, and I use all the high mileage oil in any car I have that's over 100,000 miles. This just takes a little bit under 5 quarts. To reset the oil life monitor, you turn the key to the on position and you press, and there's the oil life monitor. You press down on the gas pedal 3 times, turn the vehicle off, and then start the vehicle, and then the oil life monitor resets. Now to replace the battery, first thing I'm going to do is remove the battery hold down. Okay, the battery hold down is a 13 millimeter. This Interstate battery has lasted forever. Has a 24-month free replacement, but that was never needed. Definitely feel like we got our money's worth out of it. All right, the battery terminals take a 5/16, and I always disconnect the negative first. So if you bump the ratchet against something metal, it doesn't short out. Pull that to the side. Now I do the positive side. So I like disconnecting the battery hold down before I disconnect the terminals. So if you need to move them back a little bit, you have a little wiggle room. Definitely have no complaints about this Interstate battery. All right, hook up the positive. All right. Now hook up the negative side. Oh, and the terminals take a 5/16. Then secure the battery tie down, which is a 13 millimeter. Whenever I do an oil change, I like to give the vehicle a pretty good inspection. Looks like she has a license plate frame light out and a little crack in her tail light. So I will take care of all that. All right, if you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.